Have you ever wondered how engineers decide whether a spring should be soft or stiff? Whether it's in a car suspension, a valve spring, or even an oil pump, everything depends on one important factor, that is spring rate. In this video, I'll show you how to calculate spring rate in a very simple and practical way. So first, let's understand, what is spring rate? Spring rate simply means how much force is required to compress or extend a spring by a certain distance. In simple words, spring rate equals force divided by deflection. The unit of force is Newton N, and the unit of deflection is millimeter, mm. So, if more force is required, the spring is stiff. If less force is required, the spring is soft. Now let's see the main formula, K equals F divided by delta X, where K means spring rate in N per mm, F means force in Newton, delta X means deflection in mm. Now, one important term here is deflection. Deflection means the change in length of the spring. The formula is deflection equals free length minus compressed length. So whenever a spring is compressed, the reduction in length is called deflection. Let's understand this with a simple example. If the applied force is 100 Newton, and the spring compresses by 10 millimeters, the deflection is calculated as free length equals 50 millimeters, compressed length equals 40 millimeters, so 50 minus 40 equals 10 millimeters deflection. Now, putting the values in the formula, spring rate equals 10 N per mm, that means for every 1 millimeter compression, you need 10 Newton force. Now let's see one more example. Force is 50 kilograms. First, convert kg into Newton. 1 kg equals 9.81 Newton, so 50 times 9.81 equals 490.5 Newton. Free length equals 175 millimeters. Compressed length equals 158 millimeters, so deflection equals 158 equals 17 millimeters. Now, putting the values in the formula, spring rate equals 28.85 N per mm, that means for every 1 millimeter compression, you need 28.85 Newton force. Spring rate is very important in real engineering applications like car suspension for comfort and stability, valve springs for proper engine timing, oil pumps for pressure control, industrial machines for vibration control. That's why selecting the correct spring rate is very critical in design.
So today we learned, what is spring rate? Basic formula K is equal force divided by delta X. What is deflection, and its real-life applications? If you want more such mechanical engineering concepts in simple language, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to One Tech Funda.